Hi there, I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is Hot Internet Marketing Products. We're going to take a quick look at one of the top selling items today, fresh out from Dave Espino, and it's called Elite KDP Engine. And you've seen stuff online, they give you a prompt and you make a book and things like that. You've seen lots of those come out. Well, this takes you, like he says, you basically get raw text from those things and they walk away. This, for $17, Elite KDP Engine builds the whole book for you. The manuscript, the cover, the print-ready PDF, the advanced KDP listing, and a full marketing pack done for you. They show you on the site in 7 minutes. One of the ones that used to take him hours. So he says, do I keep this killer strategy locked inside his $1,500 mentorship program, or do I spill the beans and let regular people get access to the software? So he's spilling the beans. You can click the link in the podcast description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. There's a product box. Click that, and you're at the page where you can buy it for $17. There's a good description of what's inside, and there's a good description of the upgrade offers. So $17 gets you everything's included here. No upgrade is needed to publish a finished, sellable book. And then why would you buy an upgrade? Because this one time gives you 4,000 credits, about enough to make 10 complete books. So when you get into it and you're wanting to have a library of books working for you, there are other upgrades that add to it. Give you more credits, have you do journals, have you do puzzle and coloring, have you do flip books. You'll see there's a whole bunch of upgrades. And again, you can click the link for Elite KDP Engine from Dave Espino at the bottom, and boom, you're at the page. There's a good demo there with Dave, looking at his, skateboards behind him, about a 3-minute chit-chat, how he quietly made 6 figures from other people's content, which is making, and this is done by, you'll love the money part in there. And the real secret is here you go. Here's the secret. You find a solid blog post or a killer YouTube video on something that people are clearly already excited about and responding to. I don't know. There's all sorts of things out there, trending things. You run that content through AI, not to copy it, but to research it more and add more depth than the original ever had. You shape that into a real finished info product. That's it. You now have proven interest plus real depth all in one awesome finished product. And he says this is kind of a boring explanation for something that's made him a lot of money. It makes a lot of sense. The trending part, away you go. So here in 7 minutes, they can crank out the whole thing. You just plug in the link to a blog post, article, or YouTube video. The software reads it, does research, creates the book, and writes the whole thing. Chapters, book cover, the entire KDP listing, keywords, description, the marketing pack, all of it. And again, this is a $17 piece of software. I'm going to say, and the extra kicker for all that is it's done in 7 minutes. So click the link in the podcast description to come to my site. Have a quick look at the information there. $17, you click the product box, and you can grab it for $17 today, 31st of July. It's just fresh out today. From Dave Espino, well-known internet marketer, and like he says, he talks a little bit in there on when you come to his page, a bit about how he quietly made 6 figures. So there's money being made, and I love his twist on it. Find something that other people are going crazy over, where there's demand, interest, trending content, that kind of thing, and then spin off of that and have them write a book. And it just goes from that. You just paste in whatever you've got. So click the link, go check it out. It's called Elite KDP Engine from Dave Espino, fresh out today, $17. Check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Enjoy.